Have you ever hired a cleaning company and felt surprised by all the hidden fees, rushed service, or results that didn't last? You're not alone. At Kwik Dry Total Cleaning, we built our company to be different. We're the only all-inclusive price cleaner in North America. Kwik Dry is a full-service cleaning company focused on honest pricing, real results, and safer cleaning methods for your home and your family. No bait and switch pricing, no soaking your carpets, no harsh chemicals. Our products are all natural. Unlike outdated steam cleaning that floods your carpets and leaves them wet for hours or sometimes even days, Kwik Dry uses an all-natural, oxygenated, low-moisture cleaning system. That means cleaner carpets, faster dry times, and no sticky residue left behind. And we don't just stop at carpet. Kwik Dry offers a full range of professional cleaning services, including upholstery cleaning, air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, grout color sealing, mattress cleaning, wood floors, showers, and more. Everything that we do at Kwik Dry is designed to help your home look better, feel cleaner, and stay healthier. Our air duct and dryer vent cleaning systems are second to none. Did you know that clean air ducts improve airflow and indoor quality, while cleaning dryer vents helps your system to run more efficiently and reduce the fire risk? Actually, dryer fires are the #1 cause of fires in North America. Maybe you have seen one of our local offers or coupons in the mail, and we stand behind every one of them. What you see is exactly what you get. Honest pricing, professional service, and results that you can feel. If you're ready for a cleaning company that actually shows up on time, does the job right, and treats your home with care, Kwik Dry has your back. Schedule your cleaning today and experience the Kwik Dry Total Cleaning difference.